Are you looking to add organized data or neat layouts to your Google Sites? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert tables in Google Sites in 2025, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll know the easiest ways to display tables on your site, whether using Google Sheets or custom HTML. First, let's talk about Google Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet ready, you can quickly embed it into your site. Simply open your Google Sites editor, click on the Insert panel, and select Embed. Then paste the link to your Google Sheet. Your sheet will appear right on your page, fully interactive and automatically updated whenever you make changes. This method is perfect for dynamic tables or data that changes regularly. Now, if you want a custom table with specific styling, HTML is the way to go. Start by creating your table using HTML and CSS. Once your code is ready, head back to the Insert panel and choose Embed. Switch to the Embed Code option and paste your HTML. Once inserted, your table will display exactly as you designed it, giving you full control over its look and layout. And there you have it. Whether it's linking a Google Sheet for live data or embedding a custom HTML table for precise design, Google Sites makes it simple to display tables beautifully. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your site today and see how clean and professional your tables can look.